Hi, I'm Ben Sauve from Sauve Heating and Air Conditioning. Did you know I have 6 fingers? Okay, that's not true. And neither are these 3 common tips that I hear about all the time. False. Think of your thermostat as a simple on or off switch. When the temperature is cooler than desired, it turns your furnace on. Your thermostat is not a dimmer switch. False. Well, kind of. While turning your temperature way up or way down in the summer will save you a bit of energy, it will take more energy to make your home comfortable again. Of course, if you're leaving for an extended period of time, adjusting your thermostat would be a good idea. False. Your air filter is an integral part of your HVAC system. Many air filters don't need to look dirty to affect your system's performance and efficiency. If you have an HVAC question, give me a call. I'd be glad to help. Thanks for watching.